And I've, written some 25 books in all sorts of different disciplines, in each case talking about this increase in growth and evolution and development and increase in consciousness and in complexity and in care and in love and morals and so on. And these stages of human development are one of the most important aspects of human existence that almost nobody knows about. And it's astonishing because, I did a book called Integral Psychology. And in it, I looked at over 100 developmental models. And I actually gave charts in the back of the book that had the stages of these 100 developmental models. And what was so astonishing is that there certainly was some variation. But if you just looked over all of them, just sort of next to each other, and looked at their stages, and looked at, you couldn't help but notice the same about 6 to 8, almost identical stages in all of them. These seem to really, really, really be there. They seem to be an ingrained part of the human psyche. And they also tended to develop historically. So if you go back 200,000 or 300,000 years, you find cultures generally at just sort of stage 1 of these 6 to 8 stages. And then as it moves forward into magic and hunting and gathering, then you move into the second stage. And then as you develop early village life, you move, a third stage emerges. And people can still be in those cultures at stage 1 or stage 2, but the highest of them develop into stage 3. When large-scale farming and empires were developed, a 4th stage emerged. Then we get into the Western Enlightenment with the emergence of rationality and science, and a 5th stage emerges. And then we come to postmodernism with its pluralistic belief systems and its relativity and so on, and a 6th stage emerged. And these can be tracked. We have empirical evidence for these. And so they're all still there. So somebody even living in a culture that's at the 6th stage of postmodern pluralism, they're still born at square one. They're still born at archaic physiological stages. Then they move into magic, fantasy, narcissistic stages.
And some of people stay there.
They move into power stages, and then conformity stages, and then achievement stages, and so on. And these are still with us. And so many of our problems in the world today come from the fact that we have people at these different stages. And each of these stages have different needs, different motivations, different wants, different values, different drives, different types of religion. And they all disagree with each other.